What up? Welcome back to Rough Builds. We're out here, me and Nick, out here working on the Mustang. We got a few things going on here. Got the full suspension for the back. I don't know how far we're gonna get with all the suspension work, but we got all this stuff from Team Z. Got the lowers and the uppers. We got the Team Z rear suspension springs, and then the Viking Performance. These are the Crusaders. Shocks for the rear. Over here, as you know, we got the front Viking double adjustable coilovers, and then over here we're just mounting everything up to make the car a roller really right now. So we mounted this up, and we still gotta attach everything to the A-arm down there and the rack. But this one went in like a glove. We had trouble with this one here. If you could see, this piece was rubbing from, like, I'm guessing like rust buildup or whatnot. So we brought it to a buddy's and we just grinded the heck out of it and smoothed it out a little bit. So we're gonna try and throw that back up. As soon as we get that back on, we're gonna move around to the back and mess with the suspension back here. Probably only be able to get the lower control arms on and maybe like the shocks put in, because we don't have a press for the rear end. So keep you guys posted on that. All right, what's up everybody? So I just want to give a little update on what I did today. I didn't get too far. We have to press the bushings out of the rear end, so we're gonna do that tomorrow. So we kind of just mocked everything up until we can actually fully install it. So where I got today, I'll explain a little bit, is we were trying to install this whole assembly up here, but we were having trouble with the spindle. It has a little piece over here that's rubbing, so we're gonna go grind that out tomorrow and get everything up front tightened up. Got this one kind of mounted over here. Still trying to play with the the bump steer. And we're only using the stock brakes for a little while, so we got everything tightened down a little bit. In the rear, we got I just installed these. They're to the same exact length as the stock ones, keeping that. So those are good. I got the other one in there. And then I got both of these just hanging down for right now. And then I gotta take the uppers off. And then I got the uppers and the springs packed away for now. So we're gonna get to that. I'll walk around here and show you what I'm talking about. So Nick actually has a press. So we gotta press these bad boys out. That should be fun. So yeah, we're gonna press those out. And then on the kit, you know, it comes with, they're like, not bushings, but they're integrated onto the piece. So we're gonna go ahead and take those out, and then we'll be able to put everything in. We'll be able to mock the rear end up, bolt everything together. Hopefully we fix the issue in the front with the spindle going into the strut. And if we can get that done, then I mean the car will be a roller. So that's a big step. I have the motor. The motor's over here, you know, just waiting for parts. So get the motor. I think that's what we're gonna be doing after I get this as a roller. So we're really, really close. I have all the parts that I need to get a roller. I do need a steering shaft, and I haven't decided if I want to do like an aftermarket, like a Team Z bolt-in, like full, like the actual shaft in the car, or if I want to do the stock one, which I still have somewhere laying around the garage. So I haven't decided on which one I want to use yet, but I do need the steering shaft from the pinion, the rack and pinion into the car. And then I have to figure out if I want to use the stock spline steering one, or if I want to get a bolt-on one from, like, I saw a good one on Motion Raceworks. It looked pretty nice. So I got to make that decision here. Probably do that. Get the steering good so I can actually steer the car in case I need to move it, because otherwise I'm gonna be moving it with like a friggin' vice grip or something, and I'm not trying to do all that. So after that, I'm gonna build the motor, get the motor built, and after that's good, I'll get a transmission in here, and then get a drive shaft, and then work on the fuel system, and then get the Holley Terminator X in here, and you know, do all the wiring and all that crap. And then I'm guessing hopefully by spring, with my, you know, everything flowing right, that we're gonna have this bad boy running at least. So we're gonna get a run in, and then, you know, we'll kind of build as we go, upgrade the shocks or the brakes. We'll upgrade you know, the rear end, and just everything else. We'll throw, you know, we're gonna throw a turbo on it, and everything's just gonna keep coming in and coming in as we go. So my plan is to get it rolling, and then get it rolling on its own power, and then kind of just adding as we go from there, just not all at once. I mean, I could do that, but I'm just so anxious. I just want to hear the car run. I want to make sure it's good before I slap a turbo on it and just let her eat. I want to make sure everything's good, suspension's tuned right, everything's good, then add the power and go from there. So make like little progress steps. So, well, thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys next time. Tomorrow we're gonna press the bearings out, or the bushings I mean, and then we might install the rest of the stuff. So I'll get you a video of we're gonna be grinding the spindle on that, and then we're gonna be pressing the bushings out. So we'll have at least be able to do that. I'm not sure when we're gonna mock it up, maybe next weekend. So we'll see. All right, peace out, guys.
On the plane, never let no Peter Pan, though. Take a trip to the bank, talking bando.